How's it going, guys? Tyler Smith at Don Twister Ford. If you enjoy history as much as I do, you're going to love what Ford did with this F-150. It's a heritage model. So you got the black accent with the avalanche body color. It's a 3.5 liter engine. You got the 20s with the wheels. Let's check it out. Like I said, guys, this is the Heritage Edition. Ford's been around since 1948, so we wanted to give a nod to its past. The interior you're going to see has different cloth interior patterns, but you're still going to get the big screens of navigation. You're going to get the heated seats, so much driver assist in this. Come check it out. Tell me what you think. See you guys soon.